In this video, you'll learn how to install the DocuSign AI Assisted Review add-in for Microsoft Word on both Windows and Mac. First, let's start with the installation process for Windows. Open Microsoft Word, click Add-ins, and search for DocuSign AI Assisted Review. Once you find the add-in, click Add. That's it. The add-in is installed and ready to use after you log into your DocuSign account. Now let's look at how to install the DocuSign AI Assisted Review add-in on a Mac. Open Microsoft Word, click Add-ins, and then find more add-ins at Microsoft AppSource. You'll be redirected to the Microsoft AppSource website. Search for the DocuSign AI Assisted Review add-in. Click Get It Now after locating the add-in. Confirm your details and click Get It Now. When you are redirected to the Office Store, click Open in Word. When Word opens, click Allow and Continue. Click Got It, and you will see that the add-in has been installed.